4th, 2018. Super early for me. I'm exhausted. I didn't go to sleep until like 1. Gotta get up and I have an interview at 9:30. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do, what else I'm gonna do today, but I should probably get ready for that interview because I look like trash. Okay, so I just got to my interview. I'm super early, probably about 10 to 15 minutes early, but if you come like at the scheduled time, I feel like that's late. So I think that's something my mom instilled in me. Thanks, Mama. So usually when you come early, you get out early. So hopefully this goes well. Okay, guys. So I just finished that interview and it's about 10:15. So it took a lot longer than I was expecting. She said she'll let me know by early next week. But I feel pretty confident about it. But, I don't like saying that because I don't like to curse myself. I totally believe in superstition. So I am going to call the place to schedule an appointment for the live scan so I can turn in my substitute paperwork. And yeah, let's get everything done today so I don't feel like a lazy poop. Totally forgot to mention that I did get an appointment for my live scan paperwork. It is going to be on Friday. So these fingerprints are about to be in the system and your girl is about to be a sub. Woo! Are you happy that mommy's home? Is that a no? Is that a no?
My darling, I will make you feel like a real woman. Your soul will melt with my hot kiss. That's quite a claim you're making.
What can I say? I know what women want.
Are you gonna sell it?
Maybe.
What are you adding? Hinges?
Yep, hinges and something to keep it closed.
It's been a pretty slow day. Obi and I are currently playing Fortnite before he has work again. The day's been so slow because it's so cold outside. It's about to start raining. Hi, baby. Okay, so I don't know, a couple hours have passed. Obi's at work. I just got out of the shower. Probably gonna go upstairs and make something for him to eat when he comes home. Or for me, I haven't really eaten dinner. I had top ramen with him when he just had got home, so probably like around 3ish. So I'm pretty hungry. Probably gonna do some type of meat. I don't know. Also, make some blueberry muffins because I've been craving those. Don't mind the siren in the background. It's Law and Order. But what did you expect? But yeah, I'm probably gonna end the vlog a little bit early, cut it short, just because Obi's gonna get home late and he's gonna want to go to bed because he has work in the morning. So we will see you guys tomorrow. Good damn bye.